Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to hide content on your lock screen for posts from people you follow on the X app. If you're someone who values privacy and doesn't want certain notifications showing up when your phone is locked, this quick guide will help you get everything set up. Let's start at the very beginning. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all your apps and device preferences can be managed. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Here, you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through that list until you find the X app, then tap on it. Once you're inside the app settings, look for an option labeled Notifications. This is where you'll control exactly what types of alerts the app is allowed to show. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down the different types of notifications the X app can send you. Look for the category called Posts from people you follow, and go ahead and tap on that option. At this point, you'll see different settings specific to that category of notifications. The one we want to focus on is lock screen. Tap on it, and you'll be given a few choices for how content should appear when your phone is locked. From the options, select Hide Content. Once you choose this, any posts from people you follow on the X app will still send you a notification, but the content of the message will no longer appear on your lock screen. Instead, it will remain private until you unlock your device and open the app directly. That's it. Just a few quick steps and you've added an extra layer of privacy to your phone. Now you can keep your notifications discreet and avoid having details of posts pop up where anyone else might see them. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to follow along for more step-by-step guides on managing your apps and settings. Thanks for watching.